My name is Srinivas. We live in 𝗍𝗃𝗃𝘀. She is my wife Sushila.
We both are working. He is working with Tata AIG and I'm with HSBC. So when we were looking for options about home elevators, we checked online, we found many options. But my husband spoke to your company, Brio. And this person, Dinesh, he took good amount of time explaining first to him and then to me. He came home, explained everything. The experience was good, like when he explained us. And then we visited your office. You guys took good amount of time to explaining us. Yeah, the overall process went on good. I mean, follow-ups or whatever queries we had, you guys resolved it on time. Yeah, overall it was good, I would say.
So we first like the way you guys have actually designed everything, considering smallest to smallest aspect that one can face when somebody is utilizing a elevator. So that kind of a detailing is something that we liked from day one. So of course, post agreement, the same level of interaction happened, and we were kept informed about everything from start till the end. So that is something that we really like, the way these things are dealt professionally. We did interact with few people, but then they were all commercial. Okay, they were not really detailed. But then we were also skeptical. Okay, would you guys follow the same thing that you guys actually told in the way that explained in the? But then we felt overall it really went well, smoothly. We were kept informed about each and every step. So that kind of a coordination by either 𝗵𝘁𝗁𝗃𝘀, Satish, or the technical team, or the people who visited. So in fact, last 2-3 years, a lot of civil construction that is happening in our home. So whether it is plumbing or some contractor. So what we noticed is the way your team actually managed everything was really well. Every day they used to come and tell us that, okay, yes, we have reached. Every day work progress is notified, and before leaving you would ensure that, okay, things are not left like that. Our client, at least to a great extent, it should not cause damage or any problem to our people at home. So these things are taken care of very properly, something that I really felt overall during the entire last 5-6 months of journey.
Maybe that explanation from Dinesh was elaborative. He took good amount of time. I mean, he explained each and everything in detail. Like first he took about 1 hour explaining to him personally, and then he came home and he explained the same thing to me. I mean, it was not like kind of rush, but he took good amount of time. I mean, we never saw that in other companies when we were searching for the companies. That was good, that explanation.
Yeah, and the decisions were very quick. We needed, I mean, and of course the negotiations that took place, and even that, usually a lot of people, okay, they write an email, they'll say that, okay, we'll come back, we'll take 2 days of time. So it was instant. So we also felt that, okay, when the other side of the party is giving instant decision, we also felt, okay, fine. We're looking at more at the way things are explained to us and the way things we wanted to be dealt with, because we both work, we don't give time to manage these things. We were never asked to get even a small screw or anything. It is all managed by you guys in total. So that part is really nice that we felt in reality.
I would say all three, because whenever we had any query, smallest to the smallest, I reached out to you or Satish. Like, you guys were dealing it either the same day or getting it done instantly. But there was no such case wherein we had an issue and you guys said, okay, it can't be done or something. But everything, whatever we had, it was all done. And we were able to reach you guys. No hesitation.
Couple of incidents where get your own people to manage these things or even coordinate with the people whom we got, and then getting things delivered in the way you wanted. So especially the scaffolding one, Satish really helped very well. Like he always was in touch with the people and the electrician. He ensured that okay, everything that he wanted is delivered properly. Otherwise, I mean, usually the plumbers, electricians, these guys make us run around. Either they end up charging too much, or they make us run around. So that is something that okay.
I would say 9, as he said, like there's little bit of scope of improvement. Yeah, but overall we were satisfied. We got the things done, I would say.
Nothing much. Everything went well. Really happy with the way you guys have taken care of things, and no suggestions at all. So it was really good. Primarily the detailing, the way you guys have made your product is something that we really liked it, which is customization to the core. That was helped us into taking this decision.
My name is Sahasra. I'm studying class 9. I was really excited for the lift, eagerly waiting for it. It was really nice.
Did you like the customization, the colors?
The color is really nice, which matches our building's color. The problem to carry the heavy bag and climb the stairs till the second floor.
Yeah, exactly. I'm overall excited.
Excited.